So I have another box here, but this is from a different company. So this is from viatrading.com. They do a lot of makeup, a lot of big bulk stuff, like, and they'll tell you like Walmart clothes and stuff like that. So I got this box. I've been waiting for it. I'm so excited. I have so I used to work for a big retail company. We all know who they are. They wear blue vests. And I was the department manager of cosmetics. I love cosmetics. So I bought this box. This box was $285, something like that. So, and it has like 250 pieces of NYX. NYX is a really good makeup company. A lot of professionals use that too. And I know, let's open it up. I got some plastic containers so I can separate it. This is all brand new makeup. Okay, so this is the box. Look at this. So nice. Now this is all brand new, sealed. So nothing should be open. And the reason why I bought this was because if you saw my last video, I bought a whole bunch of makeup bags. So I'm going to put these inside the bags and sell them. So let's see what I have. And a lot of them come double packed because normally when you get them at the stores, they come double packed. So these are all blush. And this is peach and dusty rose. So they're all different colors too. Now there should be 250 of the makeup. So we got the blush. You're gonna have to zoom in so you can see. Finishing powder. Right there. High voltage lipstick. Oh, I like that color. I like it. I like it a lot. My daughter's laughing at me. Shadow sticks. I don't know. Maybe it's eyeshadow on a stick. Yeah. Okay, so this one is like this. I don't like it when they do that. Some of them, they're brand new, but they're still going to come because sometimes they come in boxes. And I wonder if these come in boxes and they just took them out. Or sometimes they actually come like this. Makeup sometimes comes like this because they go in these little slots, and this is, they're not sealed for some reason. They have all these different colors. Colors. I'm so excited. And I love doing this and separating the makeup because it's just, it feels therapeutic. I used to have to do like hundreds a day. Hundreds. And just as long as I was able to just sit there and do it myself, it was great. But I was never able to. So let's get these all out of the way. I got a lot of these, a lot of different colors. You can zoom up close if you want. Now, I can't wear too much makeup because I have sensitive skin, but I love makeup. Love it. So we have Baked Shadow, which has some cool colors. Some gold, some browns.
Ooh. Pretty.
And see, a lot of these, like, every season. So, I'm going to give you guys a little heads up. 4 times a year, they switch makeup out for every season. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. So, if you like that color that is out, buy it up. Because once the season change, all the colors change. So, you're not going to... And sometimes they don't bring it back the next year. They'll just do it for that one season. And that's what sucks. Because if you really like something and they don't bring it back, it's like... Oh, I used to get... Yeah, that was always the sucky part. Got a palette here. Powder foundation. A couple boxes here. So once this is all done, I'm going to go through and make sure I have 250 items. Oh. This is an all-over balm. Never seen that. Oops. And I break it. No, just kidding. I'll get that. So that looks like all my loose stuff. Now we have the stuff. There's stuff in these boxes. And this is what. There's a lot. There's a lot to that. I'm gonna have to grab more plastic containers. Maybe we'll share. Also with these, you can sell these. When you sell them online, you can sell them as like cases of 3. Especially people like them. Do it in 3s that way. Slip them. And what I'll do is, I don't know how much they, I know some of this stuff sells for like $8 or $9. So I'm not quite sure how much how much they go for. So what I'll do is I'll do a update on what they sell for online and stuff. Because I don't have a scanner. Now, I heard about the Amazon. If you guys know of any scanners that you can scan and it will tell you the price. I know the Amazon, but I don't know if I have to, because I tried to do it and it was telling me I had to join Amazon, and I do not want to join Amazon right now selling, because I hear they have issues and I don't want no part of that, because I'll get mad when they delete my account. I'd be mad. I couldn't.
I would be too.
I heard them deleting people's accounts for like stupid stuff, and yeah, if I'm trying to sell something.
Yeah.
So all these are pretty much the makeup that's here, but I'm going to open them and see I got a garbage box. I like this gold. I may keep one for myself. Because I'm a superstar. Oh. This is the best way to do it. That way, I bought these just so I can do this, because that way it was easier to I like these colors. I really like those colors.
Yeah. Very cute.
I have this pink color too. High voltage.
Yeah.
Some more of these. I want to Define, Refine. Powder foundation.
Wow, you got a lot of stuff. A lot of good makeup.
No.
A lot.
And what's good is they're all different colors.
Now, yeah.
Here, if you buy more than one box, they give you a discount on the boxes. So if you buy like 2 boxes or 3 boxes, they give you discounts. And with this one, so with them, I'm trying to think, did they have, I think they had the flat rate. They have a flat rate shipping. I don't like the ones that go by pound or how many ounces or how many pieces. I don't like all that. Just let me know how much my shipping is. And with bulk.com too, theirs is either $30 for a box or $200 for a pallet. So with them, they also do, ooh, look at this red. They do that, and I like that. I don't like to have to figure out how much my shipping is by the pound.
That's like gorgeous.
That's red. I like that.
Me too.
It's red.
I love red.
Some pink.
So we got some more pink. Pink is the way to go.
I like the browns too. I love browns.
Mm.
Some more pinks. Some Love in Rio.
Oh. Cute.
So I know that they have Maybelline, they have Revlon, and they have NYX makeup. The other ones, and it's the same. They're all brand new.
Mm-hmm.
I like that color. I may have to take one of those too. I might have to stock up.
Mm-hmm. Is that more blush or eyeshadow?
This is eyeshadow.
Oh.
So yeah, like on Mercari and stuff like that, you can do one posting, or like eBay, I think it is too. You could do more. You could do one posting and just put how many you have of that product.
Mm.
That way, My favorite part is unboxing. I don't even care if I sell it or not. I just unboxed it and it's like my birthday all over again.
I like recording. It's fun.
Couple more boxes left. So I will put the links of the place I bought it down below. Right now my computer's not working, so it's down. Sucky. So I will put all the things on the bottom. The description. She's over there whispering me because I don't know what I'm saying. Ooh, I like that color.
Stack up.
So it looks like a lot of these are going to be lipstick. Lipstick, blush, eyeshadow. Yeah, the rest of these are going to be lipstick and eyeshadow.
You still got a lot of good makeup. So
I did.
like,
it was.
This is pretty good.
Yeah.
Like, that's a lot of makeup.
So that's the unboxing. So again, this was from Via Trading, and they do have clothes and shoes, and they have like different brands of makeup. I know they have fingernail polish and stuff like that, and it tells you what you're getting. So it has the manifest that tells you what you're getting. So please subscribe if you like this video. I will be doing a lot of more updates and stuff like that once my computer starts working. But thank you. Have a good day.